foot, but... Alright, good morning everyone. It is early o'clock in Adelaide. I flew in yesterday. And it is really exciting because I caught up with my friend Craig, which is filming right now. I will introduce him later on. And we're doing a wildlife photography trip to the Flinders Range, north of, in the northern corner of South Australia. So that's very exciting. As you can see, we are ready. And who said that Canon shooters and Nikon shooters can't go along? And yeah, it should be a very exciting trip. So I'm super pumped to take you guys along with it. Forgot to say, for those who don't know me or who haven't come through the Instagram trailer, I'm LERAKO, or Nico. I'm a freelance wildlife science and travel photographer and videographer. And yeah, and now it's time for Craig to introduce himself.
G'day everyone, I'm Craig and I'm Craig Weird Photos on Instagram, and yeah, it's good to have LERAKO or Nico over here to hit the Flinders Ranges, hopefully find some yellow-footed rock wallabies and wedge-tailed eagles, and yeah, hoping to get some good footage if we ever get out of this place. A bit slow getting going this morning, so we'll see what happens.
Alright, so we're finally on the road, a little later than expected, but we're on the road, and it's raining, it's grey and like lots of clouds and lots of, well, it rained a fair bit just before. So it's going to be a big contrast to when we hit the Flinders Range, which has been dry for a while. So yeah, it's going to be like an actual stark contrast. I hope you packed all the umbrellas, Craig?
Yeah, we've got plenty of umbrellas for £1 a pound. So yeah, getting excited about getting up there and getting the cameras out.
Yeah, because I don't think I've like exactly said what the plan is. So the plan is for the vlogs is to maybe 2 vlogs showing you guys what we're going to be doing, and then some sort of behind the scenes. So we'll see how it pans out, because you never know with wildlife. Maybe we'll see nothing, maybe we'll see too much, maybe, who knows, exciting times ahead.
You can never see too much, mate, and I reckon that most of the good shots we'll be looking at will be with the Nikon gear.
Okay, don't listen to that guy. He's just sad. He's just sad. Alright, we're nearly there. Ooh, it's cold. I was just outside photographing some emus, but yeah, we're nearly there. We're on time. It's still really cloudy, which is surprising, and there's some decent puddles around, so it must have rained not long ago, so that's pretty good. And yeah, we stopped quickly for a wedge-tailed eagle, but it was too far, didn't get too much. Alright, and we are packed. Swag's ready. Craig's gonna be ready later because he's sleeping on the roof tent. That's it. And then yeah, we're just gonna drive out and see if we can find some roadkill and just check what's out there a bit before it gets too dark. And the sun's coming out a little bit, which is nice. So yeah, let's make most of the light. Yeah, I thought they were gonna start the fight, but they stopped. Yeah, we just stopped here because it's a nice spot. There is a lot of like red kangaroos, males, females, and all age, hanging around on the side, and the light's not too bad, and they're pretty close. They were closer to us, so yeah, it's pretty exciting. Even, you know, a lot of people take them for granted, but they're still really cool critters to make for really cool subjects when you get them under the right light and everything. So yeah, we're gonna spend another few minutes down here and then keep on driving and see what else we can find. So no wedgies, but a lot of Euros around, and on some of the spots we were quite eye level with them, so we stopped to take a few photos and a bit of wildlife b-roll. They're pretty cute and pretty used to people being around, so they're just grazing about, and yeah, I really like them. Really furry. I like it. Alright, back at camp. A pretty good day, lots of driving of course, but yeah, we saw a few things after we set up camp, so it was nice. It's just nice to be out and about and taking some photos anyway, so now let's have a look at what Craig's preparing.
This is my special fresh gnocchi with spring onion, bit of garlic, cherry tomatoes and some olive oil, salt and pepper. It's going to be awesome.